Are the Garmin Dash Cam 67 watts good? Garmin's family of computers, smartwatches and navigational aids are familiar to anyone who enjoys running, cycling or hiking. As a result, Garmin Drive, while not quite as comprehensive and user-friendly as its lifestyle-focused Connect software, is still a long way ahead of some of its clunky dash cam competitors. If you become online, multiple Wi-Fi networks can be trusted. The camera will automatically upload any saved clips to Garmin's Vault storage, where they will be stored for up to 24 hours if you subscribe to the storage plan. Moreover, owners are able to view a live feed from the camera using the Garmin Drive app, even when the vehicle is parked. I apologize again for the bad news, but this requires a constant source of power, so you will have to hardwire it into your vehicle's battery or fuse port. In spite of this, the Garmin 67 watts is still a very good dash cam, combining all of the features found in the Garmin 66 watts. This includes crisp, 4K 1440p video footage, captured in both optimal lighting conditions and also in gray drizzly weather utilizing an HDR, high dynamic range, feature. Accordingly, the compact Garmin dash camera will automatically commit footage to a microSD card, which is not included with the device, if its G sensor detects an accident or shunt. The unit is controlled by 4 small buttons on the side, but, remember, the 67 watts is about the size of a matchbox, which means those buttons are not very large. It is fairly self-explanatory. The buttons provide access to various in-camera settings, including the ability to turn off forward collision warnings, lane departure warnings, and other discouraging warnings. Due to the 2-inch screen, it is ideal for initial setup, but you should not interact with the unit while driving or look at the screen while driving. The camera's battery lasts for almost 30 minutes without power, but it will turn itself off if it detects that the ignition has been turned off. As a result, any prolonged surveillance task will require a substantial amount of hardwiring. However, all offer the same constantly connected features. Garmin's smartphone app requires that the camera is connected to a Wi-Fi network in order to function optimally, which is achieved through Garmin Drive. As long as it is charged, or connected to a power source, you can remotely access the camera from anywhere.